scientists today hailed a breakthrough in finding a cure for the most prolific cancer killer of Brits aged under 40. Experts uncovered a treasure trove of data about the genetic causes of brain cancer in the largest ever study of the disease. The research has doubled the number of known inherited genetic defects linked to glioma, the most common form of brain cancer. Scientists uncovered 13 new mutations, taking the total number recognized to 26. It could potentially pave the way to new methods of detection and treatment. Every year 5,000 Brits are diagnosed with primary malignant brain tumours. In addition, many other patients are found to have secondary tumours caused by cancer spread. Overall, only around 19% of brain cancer sufferers survive 5 years after diagnosis. The international study, the biggest genetic investigation of brain cancer ever conducted, analyzed DNA data from more than 30,000 participants with and without glioma. Results from 2 new genome-wide studies looking at a person's entire genetic code were combined with findings from 6 previous studies. Of the 13 previously unknown genetic changes linked to glioma, 1 increased the risk of developing the disease by a third and the rest by at least 15% each. The mutations affected nerve cell multiplication, DNA repair, protein production, inflammation, and the cell cycle, the series of events leading to cell division. Study co-leader Professor Richard Houlston, of the Institute of Cancer Research, London, said, "It's been exciting to have been involved in such a gigantic study including cases of brain cancer from all over the world. We've uncovered a treasure trove of new information about the genetic causes of glioma brain cancers." Understanding the genetics of glioma in such detail allows us to start thinking about ways of identifying people at high inherited risk, and will open up a search for new treatments that exploit our new knowledge of the biology of the disease. The changes in the way we think about glioma could be quite fundamental. So for example, what we thought of as 2 related subtypes of the disease turn out to have quite different genetic causes which may require different approaches to treatment. Professor Paul Workman, chief executive of the Institute of Cancer Research, added, "The genetics of glioma had been poorly understood, but this huge and excellent new study at a stroke gives us the same kind of knowledge of the disease as we have with other, more intensely studied cancers. It's a significant step forward which I believe will have clear implications for our ability to identify people at high risk, and to treat them."